Hello students, today we solve last two questions of exercise 2.4. Question 9 is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. According to the statement, the age of grandfather is 10 times the age of his granddaughter. So first of all, we will decide the age of granddaughter. Then after that, the grandfather age will be the 10 times. So first we decide the granddaughter age x, and automatic the grandfather age will be 10x. He is also 54 year older than her. That means इन दोनों के बीच का जो एज डिफरेंस है वो है 54 ईयर. फाइंड ईयर प्रेजेंट एज. हमें उन दोनों की जो है वो प्रेजेंट एज फाइंड आउट करनी है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कंसिडर द present age of granddaughter is x. Let the present age of granddaughter be x. Okay, now according question, the age of grandfather will be 10 times. So age of grandfather be 10x. Now the according question, age difference, इन दोनों के बीच का जो एज डिफरेंस है वो है 54 ईयर. सो यहाँ से वी विल टेक द डिफरेंस 10x minus x equals to 54. When we subtract here, then we got 9x equals to 54. X equals to 54 upon 9. When we divide it, then we got here 6 year. So x is the present age of granddaughter. So present age of granddaughter equals to 6 year, and the age of grandfather be 10x. That means 10 into x value here 6, then it will be 60 year. Age of grandfather 10 into 6 year, then it will be 60 year. I hope आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Now we solve question 10. According to the question 10, Aman's age is 3 times of his son's age. You can see here the Aman age is 3 times of his son age. So first of all we will consider the age of son, and automatic the Aman age will be the 3 times. Now 10 year ago he was 5 times of his son's age. You can see 10 year ago the age of Aman will be the 5 times of his son's age. Find their present age. So first of all we will consider the age of son. You can see the let the present age of Aman sons be x, then age of Aman be, according to a question, it will be the 3 times of the son age, so it will be 3x. Now according question 10 year ago, so we will write here 10 year ago. Now you can see 10 साल पहले जो अमन की और अमन के सन की जो एज होगी वो 10 साल कम हो जाएगी. सो एज ऑफ अमन्स सन, प्रेजेंट एज उसकी x है, तो यहाँ से 10 साल पहले जो उसकी एज होगी वो हो जाएगा x माइनस 10 ईयर, एंड एज ऑफ अमन की जो प्रेजेंट एज है वो 3x है, लेकिन 10 साल पहले जो उसकी एज थी वो है 3x minus 10 year. Now you can see 10 year ago Aman age will be the 5 time of his son age. So you can write here, according question, Aman age, that means 3x minus 10, because ये अमन की एज है. Aman age will be the 5 time of the Aman's son age, so it will be x minus 10. Now we will solve it. 3x minus 10 equals to 5x minus 50. We will arrange here. हम इनको अरेंज कर लेते हैं. 5x minus 3x equals to minus 10 plus 50. यहाँ से ये बन जाएगा 2x equals to 40. x equals to 40 upon 2. So x value will be 20. Now you can see x is the present age of the Aman's son. So you can write here, age of Aman's son be 20 year. Age of Aman be, now you can see here, it will be the 3 time of the Aman's son age. So we will take the 3 time. So 3 into 20 year, that means 60 year. आई होप आपको ये दोनों क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गए होंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही.